curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. If you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be a spring try-on haul. This was meant to be like a get ready for spring, but you know, like obviously we're not really going out like that right now. But that doesn't mean that you can't play dress up in the house. Doesn't mean that you can't still order from the companies. Most of these items are going to be from a company called Grassfields. You may have heard of them before. They are a company that specializes in African inspired clothing, and the clothing is actually made in Africa. So if you love African inspired clothing, if you love to see prints, beautiful prints like this one, I'm going to be showing you this in the haul as well, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Also, if you're interested in this beautiful headscarf, it's by a wonderful lady called Sarah. Her company is called Wrapped by Sarah, and she does beautiful headscarves just like this. So as you can see, I decided to go with kind of a blue and yellow theme, you know. Yeah, if I look very blue right now, it's because I decided to do a bit of a makeup look. You know, we are self-isolating, quarantining, so you know, let's just do something a little bit different, because I mean, am I going to be going outside? No. And of course, as always, if you like this video, give it a very big thumbs up. And also hit the red subscribe button below if you want to see more hauls like this. Let's get into the clothes. Our first item today is going to be this beautiful Jasmine Bra. I was gifted this bra by Bravissimo. I wanted to feature this because I know a lot of ladies who watch me have larger boobs like me, and you kind of wonder, where do I get my bras from? Where do I get supportive bras from? Well, here is one option for you. You can see it's brand new. I literally still have the tags on. So I got this bra in a 32 double J from Bravissimo, but the actual brand is Panache. I love the fact that the material that the bra is made from has a little bit of stiffness to it, so that means it gives a really nice uplift and shape. The only thing that I would slightly amend here is just I would put the notch at the back one further in, just because at the moment I'm in between a 30 and a 32, so it's slightly loose for me. But yeah, this comes in a lovely assortment of colors. I got this one in a navy blue and animal print. It just has a little bit of sexiness to it, which I love. And also it comes with matching underwear. They have a full brief, and they also have this really cute, slightly sexy Brazilian style brief with the lace. The lace has a little bit of stretch to it as well. The whole set is just gorgeous. Next up is this very cute Kianga crop top. I actually really love Grassfields crop tops. They're long enough to kind of be a little bit more modest, but still short enough to be cute. So it can show like a little bit of skin, but not too much if you just don't want it to be too sort of in your face, or if you're not that comfortable with wearing crop tops in general. These are a nice medium. The material is an African wax material, but it's not very rigid. It's actually a bit soft, so it just has a nice fit to it. I love the crop tops because, you know, when it gets warm, you can get some breeze underneath your blouse. And I love the colors in this one. It is, of course, it has my favorite, which is yellow, but it also has this really lovely blue, which means it goes really well with jeans, especially these blue jeans from Primark. By the way, these are old. There's not much else to say. I really love the look of this. I'm really looking forward to wearing this when this whole self-isolation situation is done. Oh, and I got this in a size 16, which is a US size 12. Next up is this Lesedi crop top, again with a similar fit to the other crop top, but the material on this is a bit thicker. You can just see it has a little bit more rigidity. This looks like it might even be a little bit waterproof, and you can see also it has a main yellow body, but then it has contrasting yellow and green sleeves. Again, very, very cute with jeans. Nice for spring into summer. I actually really love the contrast on the sleeves because I feel like it just adds a little bit more personality to it. And again, yeah, it's in my favorite color, which is yellow. Of course. I got this in a size 16 UK, which is a US size 12 again. And also, just to add, if you have smaller boobs than me, then you might want to go maybe a size down. I just wanted to make sure that I got in a size that was of course going to fit across my chest, but still have a cute crop top look, you know. Next up is this Pendaza crop top. Yes, I got a couple of crop tops because I bought one previously from Grassfields, which I really loved. So of course, you know, you have to go in and get some more. But this one's going to have a little bit of a difference, so just wait for it. I love the fact that the yellow on this item is a little bit more muted. So if you don't want something that's so bold in terms of yellow, you can kind of just tone it down a little bit with this. Of course, it does have other colors. It has an orange and a black contrast, which means it's very versatile for fitting with a lot of other items of clothing, whether they be black, whether they be blue, whether they be jeans. That's one thing that I love about the versatility. Now for this item, I love the crop top pattern so much that I decided to also invest in the skirt. So this is the matching skirt. It comes in a pencil skirt style. I love the fact that it has pockets on it. The length is also very flattering. It comes below the knee with a split at the back, but it's still kind of at that length that if you have a really cute pair of heels on, it can just be sexy, but yet can still kind of be a bit formal if you need it to be, you know, that kind of length and shape. Actually, quite a few crop tops from Grassfields come with a matching skirt or matching pair of trousers, which I think is really lovely because then it makes the clothing very versatile. You can wear them as separates and then you can also pair them together. Next up is this Tafari one shoulder jumpsuit. I don't usually choose orange and green as a color combination, but I do really love how the one shoulder effect is on this jumpsuit. It is very roomy at the top and a bit more fitted towards the bottom. You can wear it on either shoulder, so you have that choice and that versatility. And it has a band that goes around the middle. Again, this would work as a bit more of a formal outfit with a really cute pair of heels. And here I'm just showing you the waistband, so it's attached on both sides. You can choose to just tie it at the back if you like, or you can actually tie it at the front, in the middle, or to the side. I just personally prefer tying it to the side. I just think it just looks cute with the one shoulder on that particular side, but again, wear it anywhere that you feel comfortable or happy with. It is very versatile, so you can switch it up as and when you prefer. And apologies here, I didn't show it all the way to the ground, but the base of the trousers go down towards the ankle and they are slightly tapered. I wouldn't say a tight taper, but they do come a little bit more slimmer down towards the ankles. Again, just creating a really lovely shape. And I don't think I kind of modeled it to the best here because I didn't have any shoes on, but I do think with the right pair of heels, this could really be more of a showstopper, shall we say. Now, the next item is a mini skirt. I don't own many mini skirts, but I saw this and I thought, no, I really have to have this. This mini skirt is called Neha, and it it's just so cute. It's has a checkered sort of print with red, black, white and yellow. This is the only item though I would say I would maybe have gotten a size down from. I got a size 16 and maybe I should have gotten a size 14 because it's a little bit loose for me around the waist. But apart from that, it's very, very cute. It feels very nice to move in. It doesn't feel restrictive at all. It's just very cute, sis. I'm just looking at this like, okay, I like a little black top, a bit of salsa dancing. You can obviously tell that I started to feel very sexy with this outfit on, of course. At this point, I took a little break away from Grassfield and went back to Bravissimo. So again, this is a gifted item from Bravissimo. This dress right here. Now, this is my first ever item of Bravissimo clothing, and I will be going back to get some more. Now, this is in a UK size 12, which is actually a US size 8, which sounds crazy because all of the items I've had so far have been a size 16. But the lovely thing about Bravissimo clothing is that they make the sizing of their clothing to your body size and then just add extra sizing in for the size of your boobs. So this is a size 12 but super curvy, and it just cups the boobage really, really nicely. I love it so much. It's just a little bit sexy. Now, last but not least, we have this Cheetah print crop top. I am absolutely in love. It looked really cute on the website, but actually you can't even see how beautiful it looks until you really get it in person. So it is an orange, white and black print pattern. I'm going to show you a close-up of it a bit later on so you can see that it has these really beautiful crown prints to it. Of course, we're queens, so you know, it fits all of us that way. It's very gorgeous. Since the first time I got a strapless bra that actually fit me, I kind of went a bit crazy with these like kind of off the shoulder short little cute crop tops. I just think they're so cute and versatile, and they're a very easy way of just looking really cute and put together, you know. And of course, because of the print, it just helps you to stand out from the crowd and just look a little bit different. I also wanted to show you here that this top actually has full sleeves to it. So there are some crop tops like this that don't actually have sleeves. They just have a kind of flap that goes over your shoulder and then a hole for your arms to go through. But this actually has full sleeves. I will be wearing this later on in the year when it gets warmer and we're able to go out of our houses. I just really, really love African print clothing. I feel like it just suits our melanin so well. And I hope that you enjoyed it too. So if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the thumbs up button below. Also share it with a friend who loves African print clothing. And I will see you again soon in the next video. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you soon on the curly closet with a little shimmy. Take care. Bye.